Hey everybody, just bringing this lock to you here. I got this lock in a package from Jeff Moss. It's got his initials on the key and his initials on the back of the lock. It does work real smooth. No ticks whatsoever. It is kind of like a yellowish type keyway, except I thought the Y1 actually went the other way, but I'm not real sure. I don't have any Yales, so, and haven't had any, so let's go ahead and start from the back. If I can get my pick in, there we go. Got to click off of I think maybe 6. I don't know. It's only shows 5 cuts on the key. Another click, another click. Moving forward. Oh wow, I just got to click on every pin moving forward. Now everybody kind of feels springy, no feedback to speak of. Let me grab a deeper hook. And this is one of my homemade picks. My first homemade pick to be exact. Okay, I'm getting a little feedback off of 1. Okay, there we go. I got it picked off of 1. So coming back to front, I got to click off of every pin in order. So that was pretty interesting. Get my light situated here so I'm not blinding myself. And where's my little stabby thing at? There it is. Use that little pointed thing to push that little guy down and it sticks real good. Okay. Okay, I'm not expecting any T-pins or nothing in this. I didn't feel anything like that. And I almost dropped the plug. That was almost real bad. Just watched a video where Red Eye did that, and I'm like, oh, I felt sorry for him. I'm seeing standards, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No modifications to the plug. Well, maybe this isn't a challenge lock. I don't know. Okay, I see a kind of like an acetype pin, I guess. Never actually seen one of those before, but I think I've seen people pick those and say they were acetype pins. I've got a serrated spool that was made out of a key pin in 2. I've got a spool, kind of a step down shape on it here in 3. That guy kind of popped out there. I didn't catch how that guy was oriented, whether he was down or up, but kind of like a serrated double T-pin. Okay, looks like I got another T-pin back here in the back. Oh no, sorry, it wasn't a T-pin. That was actually a spool made out of a key pin, and the point of this key pin was actually facing the shear line. And nothing in 6. All the springs look the same, so let's see if there's any threads in the Bible. No, it doesn't really look like there's any threads in there. but it's hard to tell. I'm getting a little bit of shine. No, those are smooth as a baby's behind. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these pins. Okay, in the bottom we've got all standards all the way across. The top has some interesting pins. I really like that pin in pin 1. That's a really neat spool serrated combo in 2, and also a spool in 3. And this T-pin guy, I bet he was in there kind of like that. And this guy, the key pin portion of him was actually facing a shear line. So when I put them back in, I'll turn them around like that. That might give us a grab on the wall as we're trying to set them. Anyways, Jeff, thanks for the lock. I really appreciate it. I'm glad for all these locks that you sent me. It's going to be fun getting into all of them, especially those wicked key marks that you sent. Everybody else, stay safe, don't do anything illegal, and please like and subscribe.